In today's video, we are comparing the new Oppo M32 versus Oneplus Bullets Wireless Z base edition. But before that, let's do a quick unboxing and see what's inside. Starting with the features, here on the Oppo we have Bluetooth 5.0 with dual pairing, instant connection for Oppo devices, magnetic earbuds with auto on and off, auto play pause function for Oppo devices, and IP55 water rating. Here on the OnePlus, we have Bluetooth 5.0 with quick switch to switch connection. While connected to the first device, you go to the second device, and from the Bluetooth settings, you select these earphones, and the connection will be switched. Magnetic earbuds with auto on and off, and if you are on a OnePlus device, then you also have the option to enable auto play and pause. IP55 dust and water rating is also there. On the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z base edition, we have unknown amount of battery mAh, but I was able to get it fully charged in under 30 minutes, and after that I got around 18 hours of playback. And quick charging is also there, so you get 10 minutes of playback for just 10 minutes of charge. Talking about the battery specification, we have 220 mAh battery which takes about 35 minutes to charge full, and after that you can expect about 28 hours of playback at 60% of volume. Quick charging is also there, so 10 minutes of charge would give us 20 hours of playback, again at 60% of volume. On the comfort and fitting side, both are equally good, and you can pick any one of us in this matter. Don't try to cover up. We both are equally good in terms of comfort only, but when it comes to fitting, Oppo is superior. Here we get ear hooks, so these can be used in gym and running.
Enemy in sight.
This is the audio quality test of the inline mic, so this is what the person on the other side would hear. And this is the audio quality test of the inline mic, so this is what it sounds like. Coming down to the most crucial part, which is the sound quality itself. On the OnePlus we get 9.2mm driver which produces awesome sound quality. The sound is much more towards the bass side, and at the same time have great amount of other frequencies as well, so works great on almost all types of genres. Now, as you may know, Oppo is the parent company of OnePlus, so both earphones are somewhat similar sounding, that is, both produces amazing sound. This one has 10mm driver, but the only difference I noticed was Oppo has a hair less bass than the OnePlus and has bit more clarity and sharpness. So any genre would sound nice on this, but it only boils down to this. If you don't like sharp sound, then go with the OnePlus, and if you like that shimmer, then Oppo should be your choice. And yeah, one more thing, both perform equally good in terms of loudness and isolation. So now you know everything about us. It's your time to pick the right one. Please let us know which one you will buy in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.